In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to a project in Jira. Adding users effectively is crucial for seamless collaboration and productivity in any team environment. So, let's dive right into the process, step by step. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to the official Atlassian website. This is where all the magic begins. Once there, locate the Sign In button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button and enter your credentials to access your Jira account. It's important to ensure that your login details are correct to avoid any unnecessary hiccups. Once you have successfully logged in, navigate to the Jira homepage. This is your central hub where you'll find all the projects and teams that you're part of. From here, select the specific project where you want to add a new user. This could easily be done by scrolling through your list of projects or using the search function for faster access. After selecting your project, look towards the upper right portion of your screen for a three-dot icon, commonly known as the More Options button. Clicking this will expand a menu with several options. Here, you'll want to choose Add People to start the process of including a new member to your project team. Once you click on Add People, a dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter the new user's details. This typically means inputting the person's email address or username tied to their Atlassian account. Ensure all details are entered accurately to prevent any future access issues. After inputting the necessary details, look towards the bottom of this dialog box. You'll see an option to assign a role to this new user. Selecting Member is often the default choice and is appropriate for most team members unless specific roles or permissions are needed for advanced access. Once all the information is correctly entered and the role is selected, it's time to finalize everything by clicking the Add button. This will officially add the new user to your project, granting them the access they need to collaborate effectively with the rest of the team. And there you have it. You have successfully added a new user to your project in Jira. This simple yet crucial step ensures that everyone who needs to be involved in a project can contribute efficiently. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and easy to follow. Remember, managing users in Jira effectively enhances teamwork and project management. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to refer back to this video or explore more in-depth guides on user management within Jira. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy collaborating!